Hi, I'm Akshaya Prasad, a proud Electronic and Communication Engineering student at VelTech University. Our ECE department ensures that we stay updated in the latest trends and technologies. Our department equipped with the laboratories like AI lab, IoT lab, System on Chip lab and furthermore labs. We have collaboration with the ZF and TESOL, which gives us hands-on experience and real-time projects. All our faculty members are highly qualified with the PhD degrees. It combines the academic with the practical insights. The program is NBA accredited. It reflects its quality and industrial relevance. We have active professions like IEEE and IETE, which supports us with the unlimited funding to organize the curricular and core curricular activities. Through consultancy projects and industrial partnership, we gain an invaluable opportunity for the researchers and the live projects. The program has collaboration with the top companies like Ashok Leyland, AVNL, ZF, NASCOM and furthermore, it has real-time exposure and industrial practices. VelTech ECE program, it's not just about learning, it's about innovating, building and shaping the future. I feel proud of being a part of VelTech.